The owner of this home just loves to cook, and she wanted her family nearby as she does so. She wanted a kitchen that was not only more functional, but also would allow the children to be doing their homework nearby as she does food preparation. The old kitchen was small, lacked very much natural light, and was generally quite cramped. The Counter Dimensions project team, including Amanda Cooper of Terra Interiors and South Face Renovations, removed a wall to add much needed space to the kitchen, replaced the tile floors with hardwood floors matching those in the adjoining rooms, and added task lighting. Beautiful new white cabinets with large rollouts and a pop-up mixer shelf were installed with Carrara marble countertops. A wonderful and large island is now the center of family activities. It even has a Wolf steam oven built in for more healthy meals. After replacing the old kitchen door with double French doors and adding much larger windows, the kitchen is now light and airy. There's even a chalkboard built into the large pantry door to record family notes. If you'd like your kitchen to get a makeover like this, give us a call for a free consultation at 205-664-3587.